Hello and welcome. I hope are you doing well. My name is Anzar. Today we will speak about order block demand and supply versus narrative. This is part 2 and this is I will speak about little bit deep. I go a little bit in deep. And order block and demand and supply. And this all thing, this kind of thing, this kind of thing. Okay, we will focus on in this thing because main factor in the market is narrative. Main factor, narrative, story. Behind the story, if you have strong story, you will survive in the market. If you trade only according to your demand and supply, order block or liquidity, this kind of thing, this market destroy you and you will frustrate very quickly. And other thing guys, same story. This is part 2 and this time I will show you how first how create range and that range high and low between how to create liquidity and that range how much order block created by purpose and how that order block used for liquidity. And this pair is Euro GBP. In I think in uh, last week I made video for taking sell in this zone. If you had a check that video, I hope you understand what I am saying. If you did not check, I had post in group. Okay, go and watch. And I explained already here why I took sell trade in 3 4 trade I took in this zone. Okay, and I looking for more sell in this area. Okay guys, today we will speak about. Okay guys, is smart money trader. Okay, claim those smart money trader. Okay guys, how smart money trader teach you and how smart money trader take a trade and how those people looking market. Okay, all the smart money trader first watch higher high, higher low. Its mean is trend is buy trend. Okay, and those people have only one thing to understand market is this high and this low. This high and this low is give you strong information. According to me, no. That's why most of the smart money trader does not have real understanding the market. Is when those people waiting for in that zone for market come to take trade. That's why smart money trader have very less accuracy. Yes, is stop loss very little and very small? Yes, that's why is SL hitting more most of the time. That's why is trader frustrate. But those people looking for to understand market according to this high and this low. Okay. Okay, in this high, when market break this, when market break this high, this low is confirmed low. This low is confirmed low. And this is your range. Okay, you trade in this range. And this range, here to here, you see so much point of interest or demand zone or order block. And here is everything happen in this zone. Okay, and how many time market create a range in here to here for accumulating more order and more buyer and seller and trapping more people in this range and target for this high. But I, for example, okay, for example, you know this is your target, but you still trap in this zone because you looking for buy. Everybody when market break this previous high, every trader looking for buy, every trader looking for market retrace like that, and those people looking for trade in this all this leg. Okay, but if you understand market, if you know this high have to run, why you trade in this all the zone? You need to wait. You need really you need to wait for market create some purpose. Market creates some equal high, equal lows or ranges or order block. When you see this kind of thing, it's mean people coming in the market. It's mean money coming in the market. Okay. Watch how beautiful delivery market did here to here. Okay, guys. You see this very strong momentum shift, bearish to bullish. This is trap zone. This kind of trap zone. How many people enter in this zone? We look a situation in the market like this one. This high to this low. Okay. And we when happen like that. Okay. We as a smart money trader and some more retailer think this is now is premium, we can look for sell. By purpose in Fib zone, Fibonacci zone, by purpose create 50 to 16. 50 50 to 16 create in range, okay, and create some order block, because that order block is looking for money. When happen this kind of thing, first support and resistance guile sitting here, here, because here is touch, here is touch, here is touch, looking for sell, okay. And here is smart money trader thing, market break, take liquidity and break of structure downside. This is good point of interest, okay. Okay, in this region two kind of stop losses in here. One is a retailer, okay, is trending strong bearish, okay. Trend is white, trend is strong bearish. In this region also you saw so much like trend lines happen in this zone, okay, like that, okay. Or also moving average, okay, moving averages uh, overlapping in this zone. That's why this zone is more strong zone, everybody looking for sell in this zone. A smart money trader is looking for sell. And support and resistance guy and trend line people, because here is zone, okay. In this zone some move, some trend line, support and resistance, okay. Trend line and s- support and resistance overlapping also in this zone. In this zone a moving average is crossing in this region, okay. And also when you apply RSI in bottom, you see RSI is overboard or overboard. So much information happening in this zone, okay. This zone is typically zone for trapping people. By purpose create trend line, by purpose create moving average of over crossing, by purpose create here is RSI conversion and oversold overboard. And also is as a smart money trader, all like everybody looking for sell, market going to run this one, but before that market kicked out everybody in this region, okay. Guys, you have to believe one thing, when market kicked out everybody in this region, market run very fastly. Most of the time market not give you entry. And here is stop loss of those support and resistance guy and trend lines, and also smart money trader, those looking for in this region order block. Okay, imagine how much money sitting here. Is here is tons of liquidity. By purpose, create for trap people, trap money. Okay, because market break, this market have to run this low, and this all the low. Before market running, market create this range for running this low. Okay, market need fuel, market need money to run this one. Now market come here, like most all the trader enter, all this trader enter. Market do two things in this region. One is hitting this SL. You know what is mean buy stop? Yes, buy stop. Buy stop mean every high and low and every range is upside is buy stop and downside is sell stop. It's mean when market run this one, when market cross this high, by default this buy stop is active for those people looking for like that. Okay, this is stop loss in this region and here is buy stop. And when we see this kind of strong momentum, it mean market run this all the, here is liquidity, here is order block, here is order block, and then other people looking for buy. Because if you in past trade like a support and resistance, you know when market break any resistance becomes support, and when market break any support, that support become resistance, and people waiting for market come and test this zone for buying. It's mean this is little bit is long video, but this I want to show you, I want to explain you in in here to here in this range what going on, how much people trapping in those. Okay, this is money, market kicked out this all the people, and these people waiting for now is buying. Oh, this is very strong push up side, and those people looking for like that. Okay, here is retailer trader who lost money here. Now those people looking for market test this region and start a new trend. Okay, I like that. And you see in this region, in this resistance zone, most of the time you see, okay, order block. Here is again buy limit for those retail trader, And here is smart money trader. Those people think this last push market break of structure and took this liquidity. This is order blow. And here is last order blow. Okay, here you imagine this order block SL here, this buy limits SL here in this region, and here is order block is SL here. Okay, is the last thing is sell stop in this region. Okay, okay, watch how much money in this region, and I will show you in the real market. Okay, in this region how much money, and also is trend line going on s- most sometime like here to here. Okay, this is considered as a fake out. Okay, how much the trapping in this zone market do like that. Okay, and market deal like this one. Okay, here is buy limit active, smart money trader are out, support a resistance, break becomes support out, SL here. Here is sell limit active, and those sell limit is SL in this region. Okay, and market like trade like that. Here is everybody out of that. In this range, out, market kicked out everybody. Last thing is remind is this order blow is untested, unmitigated, and here is SL. This sell stop, here is SL. Okay, here is SL, market have to kicked out. By purpose, market create little bit any support and resistance above or below order block, because those people know last order block, last money in the market here, and then this move. This is I call narrative. This is narrative. This is story. This is logic. This is not guessing in in the market, you see an equal low and high and you enter in the market. Most of the time happen like that. It's reason you have to train your eyes. You have to train your eye to catching this kind of thing. This is not easy to understand. This is not easy to watching in the market. Please tell me what is you see here to here. Here, this region. Here is stop loss. Here is stop loss. Here is shoot and run. Shoot and run. And here also people looking. This is auto blow. In this region auto blow. Here is auto blow. Auto blow. Auto blow. Okay. Here is auto blow. Here is auto blow. Read this low to this high. Read what is happening in this range. Why this auto blow? Why this auto blow? Why market come deeply? This is run. Shoot and run. Shoot and run. Why in this? What I said? I said most of the time when market break any support and resistance, in future that support and resistance become support become resistance, resistance become support. And you see order block here. Here is order block here in same area. Here is order block. Here is order block. Here is order block. Okay, let's study here. What is this? What is this? Order block here. Here to here, order block. In this week, order block. And some more things. Watch here to here. Most likely same thing. Same thing, but market this time run this high as well. Now we are M50. Please study this all price action. Please study this market movement. This one or two. And then read this one. And then read this order blow. I hope you understand what I am saying. Please read this high to this low. What happening in this all the region? Why this order block run? Market come in the last order block. Why happening in equal high, equal low, support and resistance? This is considered as a fake out. Why market when break resistance okay become support? Why in this region create order block very beautiful and strong order block? By purpose. In market not have 100% same situation. You did not saying perfect. You have to, we have to put our efforts to understand market. It's not all the time like same. If all the time like same, everybody making money. Okay, this all high in this support zone. Okay, if you are support and resistance guy, you know how to draw support and resistance. Multiple touches, multiple touches. Yes, here is order block in this region, and first here. Okay, when market break this one, people looking for this order block. This order block run, and here is last order block. Okay, guys, I hope I am making sense. I hope you want. This is 10%. You did not read perfectly market, perfectly market. Okay, according to this thing. This is only I am explaining you how market trap people. Okay, last video I explained you little bit Euro USD for bearish, and I said this high uh, protected high. If market bullish, market have to break this high. Now this high is not valid anymore because market breaks strongly downside and market create new things. Okay, watch this strong momentum. Why happen this kind of thing? What smart money trader did most of the time when smart money trader see like that market trading very bearish side, and smart money trader mark like that. Okay, you imagine guys, I am trying to say one thing. When you did this kind of thing without any story, I am saying market have to build story, market push people to do something, market create liquidity. And this is suggestion, this is when people smart money trader look and mark this kind of thing. This is mean money. Bank knows this is money because you marking, when you mark this one, and all in YouTube or everybody in coaching teaching this is the order block, you mark this, but market not build any story in this range. Market still now here to here, market not build any story. Market is seeking to low, market seeking for this low. Okay, how you confidently mark this order blow? It's mean you your understand for market only two things is low high, higher low, or demand and supply, or order block, or liquidity. Only three things. It's very you made this market very easy, but this market is not easy. This market so very difficult to understand. Every move is little bit different than previous move. You have to what I say, you have to ready. Okay, you have to ready to market surprise you every single day. Market did something, do some market move, not like previous day. Market move, market surprise you every single time. Okay guys, this is video so long. I am really sorry. And you watch and apply, you watch and apply on the real chart, and you see result. I hope I am making sense. Bye guys, thank you very much.